Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar Swiss continued down. Yesterday, I think I was saying that this looks pretty corrective and we might get another push up for wave C. But I've also been saying how strong the downtrend is and that we should basically be ignoring any long opportunities and we should only be looking for shorts right now. If you go up to the higher time phase, I mean, I definitely don't think this is something I would want to go long on, even on shorter time frames. Definitely looking for shorts. We are back down at this 100% area, so it might, act as support, but I mean, until we get some sort of a significant break of structure to the upside, which so far price has not been able to do. Right there it didn't break structure. Right here it broke but rejected structure, and then it was lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Until we get some sort of a break of structure or something telling us that the market is actually going up in any significant way, I would be doing nothing but looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see, especially if it's some sort of a three-way pullback like an ABC or some sort of another recognizable LE wave pattern like a WXY or some sort of a flat pattern. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.